Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to follow another server's announcement channel on Discord in just a few simple steps. Click the server whose announcement channel you want to follow from your server list, then click the announcement channel itself. Click the follow button at the top of the channel to open the destination picker. A modal appears. Type the name of your own server into the Send To field. For this example I'm selecting None Server from the drop-down. Click Follow to confirm, and you'll see a success message saying the channel has been added. Click Got It to close the confirmation. Posts from that announcement channel will now appear in your chosen channel. You can follow any announcement channel you have access to, but you need manage server permissions in the server you're sending posts to. If you don't see your server in the drop-down, check your permissions there. To stop following a channel later, just click Follow again in the same announcement channel and click Unfollow in the modal. The posts that already arrived will stay in your channel unless you delete them manually. You can also choose a specific channel in your server to receive the posts by selecting it from the channel dropdown in the modal before you confirm. And that's how to follow another server's announcement channel on Discord. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.